Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I was lucky to get my hands on a few of the new football mosaic hanger boxes. It's a crazy story. I was looking all around. First I went to Target to look for some, to see what I could find at Target. I couldn't find anything there. Then I ended up going to Walmart, and I was able to get 3 of these boxes before somebody came and grabbed all the rest of them off the shelf. There was at least like 20. I got there just in time. As soon as he grabbed all of them, I was able to get 3. So got these new mosaic hanger boxes. I'll check them out, see what we can find. And I got the sleeves and top loaders ready. You know, I have a feeling that we're gonna find some fire in here. So 4 hanger box exclusive mosaic reactive orange parallels is what you can find. Got the honeycomb Genesis. Hopefully we can get a stained glass Storm Chaser and a Genesis. I'm calling it now. Hopefully. So, yeah, just all around the box. 1 silver mosaic parallel. Okay, let's get into it. Got 3 boxes. The first one. Let's get into it. See what we can get. It's sturdy. Okay. First time opening this. You know, just now getting back into the hobby after many years. So let's see. Damn, this thing's strong. Okay. I'm struggling. My damaged cards. Let's see what we got. There we go. Finally. Trash behind. Let the thing open up. Okay. Cards. Akeem Hicks. JC Horn. Let's see what we got. Okay. See them oranges? I'm not even gonna spread them apart. I'm just gonna go one by one. Got Akeem Hicks. Larry Johnson. Make sure y'all can see him. Tilt the camera. Okay, that's good. DeMarcus Lawrence. Devin White. Got a Jones. Damie Brown. Okay. Looks like a silver. Yeah, that's a silver. Silver rookie. Nice. Man of the Year. Chris Long. Okay. Nice green. Ooh. Got game. David Montgomery. It's a nice one. Deshaun. Got game. Nice. It's pretty thick. It's nice. Got Deontay Johnson. Byron Jones. Plaxico Burress. And a Jake Funk. Okay. See, flip through them. See if I, doesn't look like anything too spectacular. Aaron Rodgers. Calais Campbell. Patrick Mahomes. St. Ron. Trimble. JC Horn. Okay. That's nice. I like that. Like that one. Okay. Hopefully our second box give us some better luck. Calling it Genesis. I'm gonna pull a Genesis in this one. Genesis pool. See what we got. Genesis pool. Okay. There are cards. Empty. Montgomery base. Kid Reporter. Good luck. You know what that means? Genesis. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Orange. I see a green. Ooh, is that a stained glass? Oh, hold on. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. All right. Got a David Montgomery. Mahomes. Base. Otis Anderson. I'm sorry. I'm kind of getting. Mike Evans. Marshawn. Nice for the personal collection. Fred. I don't know how to say that last name. Anthony Swartz. Ooh. Emmitt Smith wheel to win. Oh, that's clean. That's a nice silver. Anthony Swartz. Wheel to win Emmitt. What's behind here? This looks pretty good. Oh, it's a hollow. Deion Sanders. Okay. Wheel to win Emmitt. Nice. Hollow. Deion. Okay. Oof, Herbert orange. Nice. That's nice right there. Nice one. Got Daniel Hunter. Devin White. And Nation, right? Let's say Marshawn. Trevor. That's nice. Trevor Lawrence rookie. Dak. Kadarius Toney. Nice. Jabril. Racy. Jalen. And Kid Reporter. Okay. Last box. Let's see what we got. Something good. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Give me something good. Something great. Come on with it. Genesis. Come to me. Let's see what we got. Derrick Brown. Base Taylor. Odell. Browns. Denzel Mims. Matthew. Okay. Super Bowl winning quarterback. Base. We'll still sleeve it up. Jimmy. It's probably going to be his last year. Ooh, what's this? Kurt Warner. Okay. Ruined all the fun. Randy Moss. That's nice. What's on there? Josh Allen. Okay. Amari Cooper. That's nice. Nice Jam Master. Cooper. Another Russell. Now on the Broncos. That's nice. Rodney Harrison. Tannehill. And Demetric Felton. Okay. Carr. Pitts. That's nice. Brady. Okay. Last year. Another one. Peyton Turner. Okay. Turner. PC. Elijah Mitchell. All right. Let's go through what we got. Couple cards for the PC. Peyton Turner, Marshawn Lattimore. Got Elijah Mitchell, Felton back to back, Tannehill, Harrison, Russell, Jabril, Gracie, Phillip, Nashawn, Devin, Daniel, Jake, Plaxico, Byron, Deontay. Okay. We got Tom Brady, Kyle Pitts, Amari, Josh Allen, Kurt Warner, Randy Moss, Stafford, Kadarius, Trevor Lawrence. I like that one. That one's nice. I'm gonna sleeve that one up. Dion. It's a nice Emmitt Smith one with a win. Anthony, Silver, Deshaun, David, Chris Longgreen, Diami Brown, Silver, Tommy, JC, Amon, St. Brown. Don't make it hits, but I'll take it. I will take it. I was able to get my hand on 3 boxes. That's what we got from them. So, no complaints, no complaints. All right, I'll wrap it up there. Appreciate anybody who tuned in. And I will still be doing that giveaway until 100. Whenever that will be, I'll let you know who wins it. I'm gonna figure all that out once we get to that point, but it's a nice card. I like that. But yeah, appreciate you for tuning in. Sit on this one. Catch you on the next one.